say now. Lawyer, I want to work for other people. Been telling me if I do this, that, and the third, right? So me say to myself, say, I'm not eat my vomit, I'm not go back for my word that time, yeah. Because every time I eat my vomit and I go back, the same thing happen. So I just tell myself, say, I don't know these people. And I really and truly don't despise nobody. I'm not enemy on TikTok, you know. I don't have no enemy on TikTok, regardless of what a girl might think. I just start to disassociate myself, and I don't see no issue with that. My post, there's something yesterday, when I posted it 10-15 minutes after, remember me not even know say, you and Destiny that talk about nothing, you know, because remember me not watch Destiny none talk, and all of your pages and black over my live, on my page. I never know, yesterday and Black Angel, yesterday, after I post, it wasn't no video, I type it and post it. 10-15 minutes, I see one 914 number call me. Me not know my phone, when you call me one time, it cut you off, and you have to call it back right away. Yeah. Alright. I text the number, I say, who this? Look a bit after, no, lie me I tell. Angel text for the same number and say,
we have to stand for something over here, so you know, Ivany and Shay don't stand for nothing at all. So it's okay that somebody stand for something.
so me don't want nobody feel like say, me come and tell nobody what to do. I just take my stance and I'm not doing it.
A lot of females on this app put a battery in a ticky box with this the community. That is not okay. That is not right. Nobody now putting a battery on nobody back to on this the female pan the app.
Me realize that Trev not really want cuss. But I don't know about it, but for them opinion no matter to me. Because I don't count them as not much. And even if I had counted them as something much, everybody can do anything they want. They make them own rules and do whatever they want to do. But through them want to come and go and like say them things say, because this is always their mindset. Them feel like say LGBT people is less than.
I agree
feel like LGBT people is less than, and because you're less than, you're supposed to shut the fuck up. Yeah. Because they must show them true self, just care. They must show them true self. Because we don't know how HIV is reaching around blood clot theory in a something one theories. And I don't want nobody think say I'm bothered by it. I want to hear the dirty girl come talk about something the whole way I look something on TikTok, and y'all look something, and y'all get something and then I show up. Shay, you look someone you come, I want like your bargain. Remember the percentage you get it away, you get anything with that, them give me alone get it.
Thank you. But that's why she go down to Jamaica like a fuckery. Because percentage you get and go down for your suck your mother vacation.
Yeah,
I still don't get it though. Why they still over there saying about pussy me have and this and all this kind of stuff? Why is it still the narrative?
I'm glad I get that.
But I am a gay man that I don't want to be a girl.
Two germs already.
I don't want to be a girl. I'm comfy being a gay man, and I like boys how I am. I don't want to be a female.
Listen
when
to me.
I'm Stormy, hold on a Tavon. When I'm Stormy, I'm being a drag queen at that time. Drag queen is a profession that mimics the female stuff and perform and get money. That's what I did last week for the whole entire week. I did it yesterday, but that's a drag queen. I don't want to be a girl. I don't even like to fuck with women. I did that one time and I don't like it. I don't have, me no want nothing to do with pussy. Me don't want to be a girl. Stop letting the narrative be about wanting to be a girl.
See the insurance card we can't give me pussy. I'm make all the fat girl get the insurance card and I know me not do a pussy because I have a long wood. When I use the card, yeah, nobody now worry about pussy because pussy buy. Pussy can buy. See the card we can't give me pussy. I mean I use it.